The Dolphin Life Story. Kai, a young bottlenose dolphin, was born in the warm, turquoise waters of the Pacific Ocean. From the moment he opened his eyes, he was surrounded by the sounds of the ocean, the rhythmic pulsing of waves, the distant songs of whales, and the chatter of his pod. His mother, Lonnie, guided him gently through the currents, teaching him how to swim, leap, and hunt for fish. But Kai was more curious than most, always swimming ahead, eager to explore the vast blue world beyond. As Kai grew older, he began to venture beyond the safety of his pod. One day, he followed a school of shimmering fish into the depths, mesmerized by the way they moved like a silver ribbon. But as he swam deeper, the light above grew dim, and the water became colder. Suddenly, a shadow loomed, a great shark, its sharp teeth glinting in the darkness. Fear gripped Kai, but then he remembered his mother's lessons. He clicked and whistled loudly, calling for help. Within moments, his pod arrived, surrounding the shark in a flurry of movement. Overwhelmed, the predator turned and disappeared into the deep. Kai had learned an important lesson: the ocean was vast and dangerous, but together, dolphins were strong. Years passed, and Kai became a leader in his pod. He guided the young ones, just as his mother had guided him, teaching them to navigate the ever-changing sea. He marveled at the beauty of coral reefs, the mystery of shipwrecks, and the joy of riding waves with his companions. But he also saw the dangers: the plastic floating in the water, the strange nets that trapped fish, and the noise that sometimes hurt their echolocation. Kai knew that the ocean was their home, and it needed protection. So, he led his pod toward cleaner waters, always seeking a better future. As the sun set over the waves, Kai leapt high into the air, feeling the salty breeze against his skin. The ocean was his life, his family, and his endless adventure.